History. Renegade Powerboats, a family-owned venture, has been a prominent player in the boating industry since its inception in 1997. Soon after its inception, the company quickly became synonymous with excellence in boat manufacturing. Over the past 22 years, Renegade has crafted not only boats but true masterpieces, known for their durability, precision, and custom design. Best inventions. Renegade Powerboats has consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation, introducing some of the finest inventions in the industry. Renowned for their exquisite style and meticulous attention to detail, the boats have set a standard for quality. The designers at Renegade infuse passion into every detail, ensuring their powerboats are not just vessels but works of art. Each boat is a testament to their mission to exceed customer expectations by delivering custom, innovative, versatile, sporty, and high-quality powerboats. Recent developments. In the spirit of continuous improvement, Renegade Powerboats has embraced recent developments in boat manufacturing technology. Staying true to their commitment, the company strives to remain at the forefront of innovation, ensuring their boats are equipped with the latest advancements in design, materials, and performance. This dedication ensures that Renegade boats not only meet but exceed the evolving expectations of their discerning customers. Current status. As of December 2023, Renegade Powerboat stands as a beacon of excellence in the boating industry.